Hi, I'm Courtney Chance, the Power Product Manager at Sunrise Medical. Today I'm excited to share with you a new technology that is so important to our drivers, the Control+5 with voice activation.
The Control+5 has been a great tool to easily move power seating functions with a simple push of a button. But for riders with an upper extremity paralysis, weakened extremities, decreased coordination, or an inability to reach or activate switches, due to limited hand dexterity or limited ability to look down to see the switches, or because of the gravitational pull from the recline or tilt seat position. This is especially true for individuals with high-level spinal cord injuries, multiple sclerosis, muscular dystrophy, spinal muscular atrophy, quadriplegic cerebral palsy, post-stroke with hemiplegia, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, and bilateral upper extremity amputation.
So, our team decided to incorporate voice activation.
Hello, Sunrise. Sunrise 2.
This lets drivers initiate their power seating functions with simple voice commands, giving them more freedom to effortlessly operate their power seating functions. Here's how it works. With a simple voice command of Hello Sunrise, the Control+5 responds with a series of blue scrolling lights and an optional audible tone, alerting the driver that the system is ready for a command. This state will last for 8 seconds. During this time, the driver can activate one of the 10 designated commands on the Control+5 by saying Sunrise and the designated number. For example, tilt is assigned to buttons 1 and 2. 1 is assigned to home and 2 is assigned to away or tilt. Thus, when the driver gives the command Sunrise 2, the Control+5 activates tilt for a fixed, pre-programmed period. For buttons that utilize a toggle function, voice activation works in the same fashion as pressing the button. For example, you would say Sunrise 9 to initiate elevate. When the command is completed, you would give the same command, Sunrise 9, to return the seat to the home position. Driver safety is of course our foremost concern. If any unintended or accidental activation occurs, simply say the word stop and the system will deactivate. From the factory, voice activation is turned off. To turn it on, enter the settings mode by holding buttons 1, 9, and 10 for 3 seconds. Once a red scrolling light appears, you are in the settings mode. To turn on voice activation, press button 7. Each time button 7 is pressed, a solid purple LED will illuminate and the system will increase the activation time by 6 seconds, from 6, 12, 18, 24, or a max of 30 seconds. Pressing button 8 will decrease the time in the same manner. If no LEDs are illuminated, the voice activation system is turned off. To reactivate, press button 7 to set a new time duration. Pressing button 4 will lower the volume of the activation tone. Pressing button 3 will increase the volume. No LEDs means that the volume is off, and 5 LEDs means that the volume is at its max. Once programming is complete, buttons 1, 9, and 10 must be held again for 3 seconds to go back to normal operation. It is important to note, manually pressing the Control+5 buttons or toggles will always work, regardless of whether the Control+5 voice activation is on or off. The Control+5 also features a jack for a lapel mic to help in noisy environments. We also updated the USB charging port to a USB-C power outlet on the Control+5. This is a great way to keep your phone charged.
Sunrise 9.
This great new technology is now available on all Quickie, Zippy, and Magic Mobility power wheelchairs that can be ordered with the Control+5. We think you will be impressed.